Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy fall decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, even though this piece of wood isn't from Dollar Tree, this is from Hobby Lobby and it's very inexpensive. It's only $1.88 and it is 24 inches long. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just cut this in half. Then I'm going to glue these together. I'm only using hot glue, but I do recommend you using wood glue and hot glue or just wood glue. Now before I paint this, I am going to use the Dollar Tree vinyl to make a strip. This is not even an inch long, maybe like, not long, width. It is about half an inch of width, and it is the long, it's the size of the pieces of wood. Now this, I will be using it like a stencil. I'm going to add this right here, and then I'm going to paint this. I'm going to use a combination of these colors, which I made like a brown. I mix up to this orange, I mixed some green, and I made it like a green brown, which I really love the color. I let this dry for a couple of minutes, then I remove the vinyl. The next thing I will be doing is using this Dollar Tree ribbon. It is the leather ribbon. I'm going to cut a long piece, and out of that long piece, I'm going to just cut it in half like that. Both of the pieces are even size. I will be using these as little handles for my little tray. Now you can add them on the sides or on top of them. I decided to just do them on top. Now I did glue these just so they can stay in place, but then I used the Dollar Tree thumbtacks and I added it one on each side and to each little handle. And now you have this beautiful tray. Now you can leave it like that or decorate it. I decided to just put this small little leaf right here just to make it more fall-y. But that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using another of the Home Depot wood pieces. Now this time I cut them into 3 pieces. Each piece was 8 inches long. For this, I'm only using hot glue, but you're more than welcome to use either hot glue or wood glue or both of them together. Now I'm going to just glue these side by side. Then I'm going to use the Dollar Tree vinyl. Once again, I'm using this as a stencil. Now I wasn't sure what to do. I thought of first making like a pumpkin, but then I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a leaf. Now this leaf right here is from a Dollar Tree pack, and I feel like it was too small, so I kind of did trace this around it, but like made it a little bit bigger. And this is how it turned out. Then I went ahead and cut this. Once again, I'm using the vinyl as the stencil. That's why you can use whatever color of vinyl you like. I'm going to just add the leaf in the center. Then I'm going to paint over it using this orange, which I mixed these colors, which were orange, yellow, and mustard. Honestly, I just wanted to make like a different orange, and this is the orange it turned out. I'm going to paint this, but only the top part. I'm not painting the back or the sides. Now while this was drying, I went ahead and painted this thankful wood sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I got this last year, but I've seen them again. They have a thankful, grateful, and blessed. I painted it white, then I removed the leaf, and look how beautiful it turned out. I then just added the thankful right across it. Oh wait, before I did that, I sent it down. Then I added the thankful right across it. To finish this off, I made a bow out of the jute twine and added at the leaf. And that was it. Look how beautiful and high-end this sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood box, which I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now for the center part, I used a Hobby Lobby craft paper, which I cut it to size and glued it right down in the middle. I will be adding a piece of Jenga block in the center so I can add a pumpkin, and it looks 3D. Now this pumpkin comes from a Hobby Lobby pumpkin pack. I painted it orange. To finish it off, I just made a little bow and added to the pumpkin, and that is it. Look how cute and easy this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.